Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's been my blog. Last night we went to the class at Baltimore Library for Stop the Bleed class. Learn how you stop the bleed. Stop the Bleed Shock Trauma Center and University of Maryland. Stop the Bleed Shock Trauma and Medical Center. How you stop the bleed in case of emergency. First thing you have to do, call 911. Call 911 alert. So we complete the class. We have a kit, a gift from the Stop the Bleed class. Save a life right here. It's nice sometimes you learn how you do this in case you're helping someone, how you stop the bleed. This is in University of Maryland Medical System. Is in a shock trauma. So in case something happened to you when you were at home, you bleeding from home, at work, or in the park, biking or whatever, this is the kit that you need. And this is the thing that you need to do. And we certified. We have the certificate, stop the bleed, save a life. So it's nice. We have the kit right here. So this is from University of Maryland Medical System. This kit provided by University of Maryland. University of Maryland Medical System is Adam Shock Trauma Center. So this is the kit that you need is right here. So telling you how you stop the bleed. So that's the thing you have to do right here. So first thing you have to do, call 911. What everyone should know to stop bleeding after injury. So this is the kit that you need to learn and you need to know, and the equipment that you needed is right here. So we have two, one for me and one for my husband, and it's nice to have one in the car, one in the house. So perfect. So participant roster, please use QR code and right here. So certified stop the bleed. So thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's been a vlog. Thank you for sharing and God bless. Thank you for watching. It's me again, it's been a vlog. Stop the bleed. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a shout out to you all. Thank you and God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you and God bless you all. Happy Wednesday and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, somewhere wherever you are. Stay safe as always. Thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog.